Today I'm making tacos, and I have some friends helping me. And this friend's named
Jenna.
And this friend's name
Hensley.
The first step, get your ingredients.
Some meat.
Get your meat.
We're gonna cook our meat and then put some seasoning on it. I'm adding seasoning. Paprika, oregano, chili powder, then there's cumin, onion powder, and garlic powder.
Now we're gonna grate the cheese. Cheese. That one's not bad. None of the cheese. Does it sound like hot potato passing on? And then I'm gonna add some milk. Now I'm gonna add some peppers. Now I'm gonna add some sour cream. That sour meat is really good.
I'm gonna put some meat. So I'm gonna put some cheese. And then some lettuce. And then some bell peppers. And then tomatoes. And some salsa. The sour cream. Done. Now eat. Bye.
Thanks for watching, but goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Make sure to smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Did you cut the cheese?
Yeah, cut the cheese.
You cut the cheese. This is great.
Who put the cheese up? Who put the cheese up? I don't know who put the cheese up.